your actual intention and the specific action you want the blockchain to execute. The first part is the to field. This is the destination address written on the postcard, whether it's a friend's wallet or a smart contract. Next is the value field, the native ETH you're sending, which is often 0 for smart contracts. Finally, the data field contains the instructions for the contract to follow, but remains blank if you're just sending ETH to a friend. The payload determines what change you want to make on the blockchain, but the network requires postage and routing rules before it will move that payload. That brings us to the envelope, the logistical metadata the protocol uses to accept, order, and bill you. Here you'll find the gas limit. This postage stamp represents the maximum computational fuel you authorize this transaction to consume. You also have fee fields like maxFeePerGas, acting as a tip. Higher tips incentivize the network to deliver your postcard faster. Finally, the nonce is a sequential numbered receipt attached to your account. This numbering ensures no one can copy and resend your transaction. These envelope fields ensure the network is paid for its work while maintaining a chronological order of events. If you look at the fields we've covered so far, you'll notice there isn't a dedicated spot to write a from address on the envelope. Instead of writing your name, you apply a cryptographic signature. Made of 3 variables called V, R, and S, it acts as an unforgeable wax seal. When it reaches the network, the postmaster mathematically derives your exact identity from this unique seal. By deriving the from address mathematically from the signature, Ethereum ensures that your identity cannot be forged and your payload cannot be altered in transit. Let's connect these fields to the Ethereum account model to see who can mail these postcards. Only externally owned accounts, human users, have the cryptographic keys required to apply that wax seal. Humans initiate actions and pay gas fees. Smart contracts are passive mailboxes. They do not initiate transactions. They only read the instructions in your data payload and react. Remembering that humans pay gas while contracts react to data makes debugging failed transactions much easier. Now that you know the envelope handles logistics and the payload handles actions, you are ready for the next lesson, signing these precise bytes offline. This video was created by Forge College. Continue your Web3 and Ethereum education at forge.college.